treasure hunt. Do you want anything else from this case? Miatas, Protos, there's Sylvia. There's Aston Martin, there's a Civic. Civic in the top, that's strange. Alright, I bet I could open the bottom. Got it. Alrighty, there we go. There's a car missing. There's a car. Was this the super case? There's a car missing. Oh my gosh. I want to pick up that. I think this was a factory theft case. There's that Porsche there, if you want that. Alright. Silverados. I'm not gonna see those anymore.
Yeah.
Alright. And the tuned ones, people really like that. I think this was a super case. I think this was a super case because there was one missing.
So double check the front and the back one more time.
Alrighty. There's a lot of yellow in here. Troca. S2000. I never picked one of these up. This one's better. Alrighty. And then let's just make sure this isn't a super. Nope. Wow. I think this was a factory theft case. Alright. Nothing else with Proto.
Yeah,
It's a A-class. Can't get it back in. They have the Ducati Scrambler in gold. That's nice.